DIYMOONshop@gmail.com. That includes custom order requests. All you need to do is message us, let us know which photos you'd like to be made into a diamond painting kit. We show you the different samples in different sizes of basically what it would look like if it were a 30 by 30, what it would look like if it were a 50 by 50, what it would look like if it were a 100 by 100, for example. Of course, each one would correspond to a particular cost. You choose the size you want together with the cost, and we bill you for that, and your order is made just like that. So let us know if you have any custom diamond painting requests, and we'll go on ahead and entertain your queries for you.